Hello, Starbrights. Welcome to this training video. And for today, I will show you how to go through your presentation, the proposal in our NGI POS for another simple product called AIA All-in-One. No? So ang maganda dito sa All-in-One, especially easy siya to explain as a rookie or as a new advisor kasi naka-package plan na siya. So hindi ka na malilito to which riders to add or to remove kasi talagang isang one go na siya. Tapos all-in-one siya kasi marami na kagad nakasamang mga coverages. So minsan kung nahihirapang mag-decide si client or tinanong mo kung anong gusto niya, life or health insurance ba, sinabi niya pwede bang both. So aside from offering ACP, pwede mo rin i-offer si all-in-one para may life insurance na, may critical illness coverage pa, and then meron pang total and permanent disability and then the personal accident insurance. Those are the four major coverages na meron ito. So let me share with you my screen to show you kung paano mo dapat daanan, no? Paano mo dapat ito presentan. Alright? Paano mo ngayon ipapakita at papasadahan yung proposal. Alright? So I made a quotation for a 30-year-old male. Alright? So for a 30-year-old male, example ito. So ang una kong papakita usually, let's say, just say lang, no, sa 1 million coverage, una kong ipapakita would be the 20 pay. Alright, so 30-year-old male, makita nyo dyan, all-in-one. I usually go straight to the quotation or the summary of benefits here in this table. Alright, so babasahin ko siya. Ito po yung coverages ng all-in-one na plan. Yung face amount niya for the life insurance coverage, covered ka po up to age 100, 1 million pesos po siya. Bukod doon, meron kang coverage na total and permanent disability up to age 65 in case of total and permanent disability of the insured, covered ka up to age 65, makaka-receive ng separate na 1 million pesos. Aside from that, meron tayong personal accident insurance. Right? So sa personal accident insurance, in case of accidental death or dismemberment, later I will discuss po yung mga other benefits, 1 million pesos po, separate na makukuha. Hindi po yan ibabawas dun sa 1 million na life insurance. Up to age 75 po yung coverage nun. And then, yung critical illnesses, we have a 10 critical illness rider. Right? It covers you up to age 75 in case of diagnosis of a covered critical illness. Right? Makaka-receive po ng separate na 1 million. Again, hindi po yan ibabawas dun sa 1 million na life insurance coverage. And then, meron po tayong waiver of premium. Right? So waiver of premium, ito po, nag-waive ng premium in case of total and permanent disability. Makita nyo rin po dito, no, sa bandang taas, kung hindi nyo masyadong master, ito yung parang word-for-word explanation. So nakalagay dito, if the insured, no, sa waiver of premium, sa pinakababa, if the insured gets totally and permanently disabled or gets diagnosed with a covered critical illness, the company will waive the succeeding premiums of the AIA all-in-one and the insured will continue to be covered. So kahit hindi ka na nagbabayad kasi nga maybe hindi na capable dahil nagkasakit na nga or naging total and permanent disabled na, mau-waive na yung premiums. Kunyari, kung nakadalawang taon pa lang nabayad, hanggang ika-20th year, alright, si AIA na yung maghuhulog ng policy mo and covered ka pa rin dyan sa lahat na yan. No? Unless, of course, naka-claim ka na ng critical illness, ibabawas na yun syempre. Wala ka ng coverage for next kasi na-advance mo na. Alright, so all in all, 33,671.65 lang. Kasama na po yung 1,200 na Vitality membership fee. So later again, I'll discuss with you kung ano yung Vitality membership fee. So that's what I say to my clients. Or I will also send to you a YouTube video para po ma-discuss kung ano po yung mga coverage niyan. Pero one of the major coverage po niyan and benefits is it adds 20% dun sa coverage na natin. No? May coverage boost po siya. Sa first year, it adds 20%. So yung 1 million natin, sa bawat isang yan, it becomes 1.2 million. And then depende na lang if you use or earn points, pwedeng tumaas yung bonus na yon or bumaba siya up to maging zero na siya, wala na siyang bonus. Alright? So 33,000 per year lang po. So pag nagpe-present ako kay client, hindi ko na sasabihin na o pag monthly 2.8 lang siya. Hindi. Unless itanong, tsaka ko lang dadalhin yung tingin niya doon sa monthly kasi gusto ko syempre i-close ng annual as much as possible. Higher chance of persistency. Syempre, higher na rin yung mako-commission mo kagad. Hindi siya basta-basta maglalapse. Alright? And then, pwede mong pasadahan ngayon yung mga definition no, ng mga other coverages. So again, si total and permanent disability, in case of total and permanent disability ng client, madi-disable siya. Makaka-receive siya ng TPD, ng TPD benefit na 1 million pesos. Alright, pag declared ng doctor yon. No? So for the past 6 months, ganun yung nangyari, or 180 days. Si accidental dismemberment naman, nandito meron po tayong list. So pwede mo, wag mo nang isa-isahin, pero pakita mo lang na in case po, no, example lang, pag both hands may 100%, both feet 100%, pag both eyes 100%, pag isang eye lang 50%. Alright, so you can, just choose a few. No? One hand, pag na-amputate, due to accident po yan, pag due to accident. Alright, 50% nung 1 million, i-advance na sa'yo. Alright, and so on. So meron siyang table dyan. Alright, and then it adds additional 100% in case the cause of death is coming from nakasakay ka sa public transportation, ticketed transportation. Ito yung list: commercial bus, automobile, train, etc. Even ride-sharing app like Grab or Angkas probably. And then acts of nature, like storm, earthquake, flood. Tama-tama po, uso po yung binabaha dito, di ba? Tapos pwedeng landslide, ganyan. Madodoble yung 1 million, 2 million po yung pwedeng maklaim pagdating sa personal accident insurance. So technically, 4 yon. Tapos pwedeng madoble yung personal accident, 5 million total coverages po for only paying 33,671.65. Alright, 1 million life, TPD, personal accident, critical illness, tapos pwedeng madoble yung personal accident. Total of 5 million by only paying 33,671 per year. Sa 20 years po niyan, parang 34 na lang times 20, that's 680,000 lang ang binayaran mo. Sa life insurance lang, panalo na. Di ba? Dahil 1 million ang coverage nun, 5 million pa yan. So napakasulit din ng all-in-one. Maganda rin i-present lalo na sa mga bata-bata. Alright? And then of course, pwede mong daanan again yung mga coverages na nandito. Tapos nandito rin po yung list of critical illnesses covered. So 10 siya, pero major illnesses siya. Right? Cancer, coma, so basahin mo na lahat. End-stage lung disease, heart attack, HIV, kidney failure, liver cirrhosis, stroke, terminal illness, and vital organ transplant. Alright? And then, pwede mo na siyang i-discuss ng gano'n. Then tapos na tayo. And then lastly, if you want to, ito naman completely optional, especially kapag tinanong, or kapag wala ng tanong, no? Usually I will ask my client, sir, sige po, yun po yung benefits ng all-in-one. May mga tanong pa po pa kayo. So I'll answer their questions. And then after answering the question, sige po, just to final reminder, or gusto ko lang po ipakita sa inyo, na si all-in-one po, meron po siyang cash surrender value. Guaranteed po yan since hindi po VUL itong all-in-one, traditional plan siya, whole life plan, right? Covered ka up to age 100. Just in case lang you needed to withdraw your, kailangan mo lang yung policy, no? Hindi mo na siya mabayaran, let's say after 5 years, right? So ika-5th year, 35 na po kayo, may 49,000 na cash surrender value dyan. So you can withdraw that. Of course, hindi siya equal dun sa nahulog mo na maybe 150, 160,000. Pero at least may makukuha ka just in case emergency. So kaya po, dapat ito na yung last option mo talaga na wala ka ng ibang magagalaw na pera saving sa bank. Tsaka mo lang kukunin ito. Kasi mawawala po lahat ng coverages mo doon sa yung mga nabanggit ko kanina, yung life insurance, health insurance like critical illness, yung personal accident insurance, and then the TPD. Tapos I will skip into the 20th year. Papakita ko rin po, pag nagbayad po kayo ng 20 years, alright, so nakapaghulog po kayo, let's say 34,000 times 20, di ba 33,000? 33,000 times 20, so little less than 670, 680,000. In case you decide to withdraw after 20 years, may 456,000 po kayo. So, ang laki, more than half po ng naihulog nyo yung cash surrender value. So, technically, no, na-insure ka for 20 years, maliit lang po yung naging cost sa inyo. Just in case lang na kailangan nyo. No, let's say lang, by age 70, alright, by age 70, you wanted to withdraw the plan, o di mayroon ka pong 620,000 and you're showing you na merong cash surrender value. And it accumulates up until mag-age 100, dun po siya magiging 1 million. In case buhay pa po tayo, by age 100, ipipay out na po yung 1 million. No? So yun po yung cash value natin. Mas malaki po siya sa naibayad natin. Alright, so usually hanggang dun lang I don't discuss na pwede siyang mag-loan dyan, right? Pag nag-loan siya dyan sa cash value, although part siya at feature siya ng plan, no? Tapos may interest rate sa prevailing interest rate, let's say 9% yung interest rate ngayon. No? Tapos pag hindi niya binayaran yon, kakainin yung cash value, tapos mauubos yung cash value niya, tapos hindi na siya insured. I don't discuss that anymore in front of my client kasi it will just get confusing. Alright? Pero pag tinanong, alam ko yung sagot. Alright? I discuss the cash value and then I discourage them from withdrawing that. Kasi nga, pag withdraw yung cash value in full, mawawala na lahat ng coverages. Pag nag-withdraw ng partial, tapos kinain ng interest rate, maglalapse din yung plan, mawawala na lahat ng coverages. So, as much as possible, I do not discuss that anymore para hindi gumulo, but I discuss na merong guaranteed cash value yan. Alright, so that's what I do. And then, so pakita kong ganyan, then I always show the 10 pay. So usually 20 pay and 10 pay, pakita ko. Diba? So kanina 33,000 with the same coverage. Kapag 10 pay siya, 61,000 lang po. So kung 33,000 times 2, mga 66,000 or 67,000, ito 61,000, mas mura ng konti. Alright? So yun, tapos papiliin mo siya, o yung 10 years to pay po ba, para mas mabilis matapos, or 20 years to pay. What you can also do is pwede kang always offer 1 or 2 options minimum. Alright? Offer 2 options minimum. So ako, I would always like to choose 10 pay or 20 pay. Minsan pwede rin 1 million or 2 million yung coverage. Alright? And then, tsaka mo na ilabas si pay up to age 65. Right? Kung namamahalan pa dun sa 33,000. Alright? Pag pinakita mo yung pay up to age 65, pwede naman 24,000 na lang with the same coverage. No, pero wag mong unahin yung presentation. Unang-una, napakahaba na masyado, no, compared to a 20-year to pay. Ito, age 30, so 35 years yan. Right? Mahaba na masyado. Pangalawa, wala nang option na mag-downsell just in case hindi niya afford. Alright? Or namamahalan siya. You know? So last option yan. No, ako, we always use 10 and 20 pay, and then pag nahabaan pa rin sa 10, haba masyado ng 20 pay. So pwede mo pakita yung 10 pay. Pag nahabaan pa rin sa 10 years, tsaka mo na lang pakita yung 5 pay. Alright, so I think the sweet spot is the 10 and 20 years to pay. Alright, so that's it for this video. No, leave in the comment section, let me know kung ano yung mga na-pick up mo dito sa All-in-One and kung ano yung mga napulot mo and yung pinaka-applicable sa'yo. Alright, if you have questions, leave in the comment section or you just message me directly or your manager. No? So with that, thank you very much for watching. Till our next training video.